How to update YouTube application. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you on how to keep YouTube application up to date. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. If you are using Android device, you can easily go ahead and open Play Store. On iPhone, you can open App Store. Tap search icon at bottom right and tap search bar at top. Now type in YouTube and tap on the search icon at bottom right corner of your screen. You will see the YouTube application. Next to YouTube, there is Update and Uninstall button. Simply to update it to the latest version, tap on Update button. And depending on your internet connection, it will take a few time to update it to the latest version. Once you update your application to the latest version, you can easily enjoy the latest features available on YouTube. And with this, you can successfully use the updated YouTube application on your phone. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.